I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet, and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this wide cone stitch, which you can see here in front of you. Now, not too long ago on my channel you would have seen a video for the mini cone stitch, and a little while back I did one for the cone stitch. So this is a wide cone stitch. Now the stitch is similar on both sides, the front and the back. Has quite an open look, and you'll see the stitches are a little bit more spaced out with space in between each of the rows. Today for the tutorial I'm going to be using a H8 or 5mm crochet hook, as well as a little bit of Pima Cotton Yarn. This is a 100% cotton yarn by Lion Brand, and there's links to these items in the description of this video. Also in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. You're going to start by making a slip knot, and then by working a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 2 stitches. So today I'm simply going to chain 22. Once you have worked your foundation chain, you're going to begin row 1 by working a double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're then going to double crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. We're now going to work some of our cone stitches, which are essentially half double crochet stitches, 2 stitches together. We're going to start, however, by working into the first stitch, which is at the base of our turning chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into this first stitch, yarn over and drop a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. You're then going to chain 1. You're going to continue working half double crochet 2 togethers all the way across, this time beginning the stitch in the same stitch as the previous stitch. So just at the base of our previous stitch, insert your hook, and yarn over, insert your hook into the next one, yarn over, drop a loop, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5. Chain 1 and repeat. You're going to repeat this all the way across. At the end of your row 2, you're going to work your final half double crochet 2 together, working into the top of the double crochet. Ignore that starting chain 2. You're then going to chain 3 and turn your work. Now for row 3, we're going to begin by working a double crochet into the 3rd chain from our hook. So just at the base of that turning chain, into that 3rd chain, work a double crochet. You're then going to skip the next half double crochet 2 together and work a double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Continue working double crochet stitches into your chain 1 space all the way across. When you come all the way across at the end of row 3, you're going to finish off by working your final double crochet into the chain 2 space. You can then chain 2 and turn your work. Now that's it as far as the repeat is concerned in this pattern. You're going to repeat from now on row 2, which began with the half double crochet 2 together, chain 1, and then work your half double crochet 2 together, this time beginning in the same stitch as previous, chain 1, repeat all the way across, that was your row 2, then followed by that row 3 of double crochet stitches. So repeat those 2 rows, 2 and 3, for as long as you would like, then fasten off, weaving your ends, and that is how you work this wide cone stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.